The final type of selection is the disruptive selection. So in this video, we are going to learn about disruptive selection. Disruptive selection is natural selection that maintains high frequencies of two different sets of alleles. In other words, individuals with intermediate phenotypes or alleles are selected against. So it favors the extreme phenotypes at the extreme of the intermediate phenotypes. And this is the least common form of selection, but it is most important in bringing about evolutionary change. Disruptive selection causes polymorphism. This is the continued existence of two or more distinct phenotypes in species. And this can occur in an environment that shows variation. Let's take an example of disruptive selection. Birds that live in the Galapagos Islands use their beaks to forage for different sized seeds. Now, the size of the bird's beaks are either small or large, with the intermediate medium-sized beak selected against. But what is the reason for this? Well, the reason for this is that the different types of seeds available are more efficiently foraged by a shorter or longer beak. So, in conclusion, we can say that disruptive selection favors individuals with extreme phenotypes rather than those with phenotypes around the mean of the population.